Are you tired of your emails getting lost in crowded inboxes? Many marketers rely solely on catchy subject lines. But there's a better way to make your emails stand out. Introducing BIMI, Brand Indicators for Message Identification, the key to enhanced visual communication. BIMI allows you to secure your domain ownership and showcase your logo with every email. This not only catches the recipient's eye but also boosts their trust in your brand. It's important to know that BIMI builds on DMARC compliance, ensuring your emails are authenticated. To implement BIMI, you need more than just a record. A verified MARC certificate from a reputable source and a properly formatted logo are essential. With BIMI, you bring your brand to life in your customers' inboxes, elevating your email marketing strategy. Don't let your emails go unnoticed. Start your BIMI journey today. Visit our website to learn more and take action now.